Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about revamping your bathroom but don't want to spend a fortune, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be showing you breathtaking DIY bathroom transformations that are easy, budget-friendly, and absolutely stunning. Whether you're looking to refresh your space with a coat of paint, upgrade your vanity, or install modern storage solutions, I've got you covered. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also share my best pro tips for achieving that designer bathroom look without breaking the bank. Let's jump right in. You know how much I love a good coat of paint. It's amazing how it can breathe new life into any space, and the bathroom is no exception. But today, we're taking it a step further and adding a touch of personality and charm with peel and stick tiles. Trust me, if I can do it, you can too. Now, before we get our hands dirty, let's gather our materials. You'll need some water-resistant paint, because, well, it's a bathroom. Painter's tape for those crisp lines, paint rollers and brushes, and of course, our star of the show, peel and stick tiles. Don't forget the measuring tape and a utility knife for a precise fit. First things first, we need to prep those walls. Give them a good clean and let them dry completely. Now grab that painter's tape and carefully mask off the areas you don't want to paint. This step is crucial for achieving that professional finish. With the walls prepped, it's time for the fun part: painting. Choose a color that complements your style and creates a sense of calm and serenity. I always say, lighter shades can make a bathroom feel more spacious. Apply the paint evenly using your roller and brush, and don't be afraid to give it a second coat for that perfect finish. Now that the paint is dry, it's time to add some personality with our peel and stick tiles. The beauty of these tiles is that they're incredibly easy to work with. Simply measure the area where you want to install them, cut the tiles to size using your utility knife, peel off the backing and stick them on. Press firmly to ensure proper adhesion, and voila! You've just created a stunning focal point in your bathroom. The best part? If you ever want to change things up, these tiles are removable, so you can easily update your bathroom's look without any hassle. Remember, the key is to have fun and let your creativity shine through. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tile patterns and colors to create a space that truly reflects your style. With a little paint, some peel and stick magic, and a whole lot of love, you'll transform your bathroom into a stylish and inviting retreat. Let's be honest, the bathroom vanity often takes center stage in this space. It's where we start and end our days, so it deserves a little extra love. But before you even think about replacing that old vanity, let me show you how a little DIY magic can work wonders. Gather your tools of transformation: sandpaper for a smooth finish, primer to create the perfect base for our paint, cabinet paint in a shade that speaks to your soul, sleek and stylish new hardware, and a touch of contact paper for an unexpected twist. Now, let's give that vanity the attention it deserves. Start by giving it a good sanding. We want to create a smooth surface for the primer and paint to adhere to. This step may seem tedious, but trust me, it makes all the difference in the final result. Once you've sanded the vanity to perfection, it's time to apply the primer. This will help to seal the surface and prevent any bleed-through from the previous finish. Apply a thin, even coat of primer and let it dry completely before moving on to the paint. Now comes the fun part: choosing the perfect paint color. Don't be afraid to go bold or stick with classic neutrals. It's your bathroom, your rules. Apply the paint in thin, even coats, allowing each coat to dry completely before applying the next. While the paint is drying, let's turn our attention to the countertop. Now, you could replace the countertop entirely, but for a budget-friendly upgrade, contact paper is our secret weapon. Choose a contact paper with a realistic marble or granite finish and apply it carefully to the countertop, smoothing out any air bubbles as you go. With the paint dry and the countertop looking brand new, it's time to add those finishing touches. Install your new hardware, think sleek drawer pulls and stylish knobs, and stand back and admire your handiwork. You've just given your bathroom vanity a high-end makeover without breaking the bank. Chapter 3. Let's face it, a cluttered bathroom can make even the most beautiful space feel chaotic. But fear not, my friends, because I'm about to share my secrets for creating a bathroom that's both stylish and functional. First things first, we need to assess the situation. What areas of your bathroom tend to attract the most clutter? Once you've identified the clutter hotspots, we can start brainstorming creative storage solutions. One of my favorite ways to maximize space is by installing floating shelves. They're perfect for storing towels, toiletries, or even decorative items. Plus, they add a touch of visual interest to your walls. Choose shelves that complement your bathroom's style, whether it's rustic wood, sleek metal, or something in between. Next up, let's tackle that often overlooked space above the toilet. An over-the-toilet organizer is a game changer when it comes to maximizing storage. These handy units typically feature shelves and sometimes even drawers, providing ample space for extra towels, toiletries, and more. Now, let's move on to the undersink area. This is prime real estate for storage, but it can quickly become a black hole of forgotten products. To keep things organized, I love using baskets and bins. Choose baskets that fit your undersink space and label them accordingly. You can even use clear bins so you can easily see what's inside. For those small, everyday items like toothbrushes, toothpaste, and makeup brushes, magnetic strips are a lifesaver. Simply attach the strips to the inside of your bathroom cabinet door or on the wall and use them to store your essentials. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your countertops clutter-free. Remember, the key to a clutter-free bathroom is to have a designated place for everything. By incorporating these smart storage solutions, you'll create a space that's both beautiful and functional. Chapter 4. No bathroom renovation is complete without giving our hard-working showers and fixtures some love. Now, replacing them might sound tempting, but trust me, with a little elbow grease and a few simple tricks, we can have them looking brand new in no time. First things first, let's gather our cleaning supplies. You'll need some trusty white vinegar and baking soda, an old toothbrush for those hard-to-reach spots, a spray bottle, and a new shower curtain or glass door cleaner for the finishing touch. Now let's tackle that shower head. Mineral buildup can really put a damper on your water pressure. To combat this, fill a plastic bag with equal parts white vinegar and water, and secure it around your shower head using a rubber band. Let it soak for at least an hour, then remove the bag and scrub away any remaining buildup with an old toothbrush. Next up, let's give those faucets and handles the spa treatment. Mix some baking soda with a little water to create a paste and apply it to your faucets and handles. Let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub gently with a soft cloth or sponge. Rinse thoroughly with water and dry with a clean towel. Now let's turn our attention to the shower itself. If you have a shower curtain, toss it in the washing machine with some towels to freshen it up. If you have a glass shower door, use a glass cleaner specifically designed for shower doors to remove any water spots or soap scum. Finally, replace any old or worn-out caulk around your shower or tub with fresh caulk. This will help prevent water damage and give your bathroom a polished look. And there you have it, a sparkling, clean, and revitalized shower and fixtures without breaking the bank. Remember, regular cleaning and maintenance will keep your bathroom looking its best for years to come. Chapter 5. Let's talk about mirrors, shall we? They're not just for checking our reflections. They can truly transform a space, and the bathroom is no exception. A well-chosen mirror can make your bathroom feel larger, brighter, and more stylish. Now, you could opt for a simple, frameless mirror, but where's the fun in that? Let's add some personality with a statement piece that reflects your unique style. If you have an existing mirror that you love but want to give it a fresh look, consider framing it. You can find affordable frames at thrift stores, flea markets, or even online. Choose a frame that complements your bathroom style and paint it a fun color for an unexpected pop. For a touch of modern elegance, consider adding LED backlighting to your mirror. This creates a luxurious spa-like ambiance and adds a warm, inviting glow to your bathroom. You can find LED strip lights online or at your local hardware store. And for those who love a good treasure hunt, why not replace your existing mirror with a unique thrifted find? Thrift stores are gold mines for vintage and antique mirrors with character and charm. Look for mirrors with interesting shapes, ornate details, or even those with a bit of patina for a touch of history. Once you've chosen your statement mirror, hang it strategically to maximize its impact. Hang it above your vanity to create a focal point or on a blank wall to add depth and dimension to your space. Remember, a mirror is more than just a functional object. It's an opportunity to add personality and style to your bathroom. So go ahead and make a statement with a mirror that reflects your unique taste. And there you have it, breathtaking bathroom revamps you can DIY today. With just a few simple upgrades, you can turn your bathroom into a stylish, functional, and relaxing space. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing DIY transformations. See you in the next video. Happy DIYing!